now we're going to show the really good side of Killian. This is his strength. Obedience is not his strength, but the protection work is his strength. Friendly, safe, confident, not a nervous weak bone in this dog's body, but he's got good, strong drives for the protection work. Spray drive strong, he's got good, strong barking, very natural for this dog. His instincts are good, and it's just going to get better as he matures. Confident, powerful grips. Just instincts are really strong with this dog, even though he's 9 months old and immature. Come along really nice. The dog has good balance between his spray drive and his defense drive. He takes this serious. You can hear him getting a little bit stressed out of the whole situation, and that's because he takes it serious. We're starting a little controller. See the slack in the leash there where he was holding. A lot of work to be done in that category, which again depends on where you want to take this dog, is where we'll go with the training. The dog you can purchase and let us develop for you, or you can purchase him, take him into your home and let him grow up and send him for some more training. A lot of options for a dog like this is worth the effort. Okay? Once we know where he's going, then we can customize the training and development to fit that situation. But again, that's just a little updated information about Killian. He's going to be a good sized dog. Nice heavy bone, got a gorgeous coat, needs a bath right now, but that's a nice young dog, well worth your consideration.